Hey guys, welcome back. It's Melissa and we're doing something a little different here today. So my channel is purely beauty, makeup, all that jazz, but today I have got a mystery bag unboxing from a company called I Love Jewelry. They don't know I exist, okay? This is not like sponsored or affiliate or anything. My friend had on a monogrammed cover-up. And I asked her where it was from, and she said she gets these mystery, I think it's swag bag every month, and it's $10, I think. $11.95, and then each month she just gets some different monogrammed item. And I thought it sounded really fun, but then I was looking on the website, so she sent me a referral link for 20% off. You know how those companies work, and I will have one linked below if you want to get one. But then I was looking on the website and I'm like, well, I have 20% off. I also picked up the Mono Box, which is supposed to be like a clothing and then 3 other kinds of items. A mystery item, some leggings that were on clearance, and another top. So I'm going to show you all of that, but I'm really excited to see what's in my mystery bags. So I'll link everything down below for you to check out. Like I said, I don't know anything about this company yet. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. So we will just see. It just sounded like something really fun to do. Right? This look I did film. This is just a really fun Halloween look I did with my Build Your Own palette with my single shadows for my Halloween theme this month. And I believe it is already up, so I will link it up here in the iCards if you want to check that out. And these are subscriptions, so it is a reoccurring thing I'll get every month unless I cancel it. Everything's in the same bag, so how am I going to know? Okay, well I know I ordered this, so let's look at this. This was $10 and you can't see very well. It's a little palm tee, but look, it's got your monogram on it. I love a good monogram, okay? So there it is, and it's just a cute little white tee with the palms. I just thought that'd be really fun for summer, even though it's now fall. That's probably why it was on clearance. So it was $10, and then I had 20% off, so it was $8. And I don't even know. Oh, I know I got black leggings. So this is the black leggings. So I did buy these. These were also $10 in their clearance. And they just had this really cool design that I liked. Although they are more like workout material than I thought they were going to be. So I don't even know. I got smalls. I don't know if they're going to fit or not. I hope so. But they're just like cute. You know, I thought they'd be cute. Run and pick up the kids, or you know, throw a sweatshirt on, and it's just got a little detail. So they were $8. Hopefully they fit, or I'll be reselling them. All right, then they had a mystery item, and it was just $4. So what? It was like 3 for me, and I have no. Okay, so it must be this. That's by itself. Well, bummer. I was hoping I would get jewelry or something. I got a hairbrush, and it is really cute. It kind of reminds me of like a Kate Spade design. So it's really cute. We are always losing hairbrushes around here. It looks like a wet brush, but it's obviously not a wet brush. Let's see how it does. I mean, it brushes your hair fine, right? I am not trying to sell you anything here, okay? But, so what, it ended up being a $3 hairbrush. I mean, that's fine for another hairbrush to have around the house. I do wish that it was something cuter, like some jewelry or something like that. I figured being a company called I Love Jewelry, I would be getting some kind of jewelry item. The next thing, this must be what month was October? Is this the October box? Let's see if it says. It doesn't say what month this is for the box. I ordered it September 28th, but I don't know if this is the September or October box. So these are so cute. Do you see this? They're different little kinds of coffees, and it's got my monogram on there. I think that those should fit really good, and they've got a drawstring, so those are really cute. Those are really cute. So that was the one that was $11.95. I did also get 20% off of my subscription bags this time around too. So the next one I got was that was the swag bag. So the swag bag is the one item for $11.95. And then the mono box it's called their monthly subscription box. So that's their monthly tea subscription was the pants. And then their monthly subscription box is the mono box. So that one is, let me see how much that one costs. $21.95. So let's see what we got in here. So far, it's looking cute. Let's see. Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see. I'll have to put this on and see how I like it. It's a turtleneck. So it's like a Lucy kind of turtleneck with my monogram on it. So that is in here. It is a nice fabric, and it's got kind of like this cute little detail in the back. So that'd be cute to wear, you know, with jeans in the fall. And then I'm not super excited about the other things I got. I got 2 coasters, and they say must have coffee on them. And they're cute. If I have a coaster though, I would just rather it be, I mean, like I would have loved a monogrammed coaster or some kind of coaster that is, like I would love a coaster from a location, like a souvenir from somewhere that I've been. So it's fine. I don't think it's worth what I paid. And then the other thing I got is a coffee thing. Okay. This could have been monogrammed. Like I said, I know nothing about the box, but personal preference, like in a monogram box, I would love this with my monogram on it, but I will never use this like this. Like, what am I going to use that for? Right? So anyways, that was the one that was $21.95, and I don't really feel like that was worth it, considering I got the pants for $11.95 and this one was $10 more, and it just had like these little products in it. So I'm gonna get these for one more month. I'm gonna get the big one for one more month and see what I get in it, but you guys will have to let me know if you want to see me unbox next month's, and if you like this video, maybe I could unbox and try on. I'm just kind of like dipping my toes in this video, and you guys let me know what you think. I was going to try to look and see if I can figure out what month I got. October's. Okay, so this must be September's. The fall harvest pants are $30 if you buy them on here. You know what? I don't think I'm going to like this $21.95 one. I'm kind of looking through some past things that they've gotten, and you can actually see what is in every box. And it's not necessarily stuff that I would be super excited to continue to get. I don't mind the one that I got today. It looks like October's is like a burgundy dress with a monogram on a pocket right here. I may just go ahead and cancel this one actually. And then it doesn't have what October's swag bag is going to be. October's swag bag. Okay, you guys, the swag bag is such a better deal. Here's going to be a little spoiler if you don't want to know. The swag bag for October is like a really cute, like over, you can see it right there. So I am going to cancel my mono box, the subscription one, because it just kind of looks like they up the price to throw a couple things that maybe they're trying to get rid of in there. Just, that's like first impression. But the swag bag with one item looks kind of fun. So I'm going to keep that one. I'm going to cancel my other one. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, if you want to keep seeing this video. what you think of it. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much and taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.